Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
A quiet Friday here in the Rogue Valley. Live look at Medford. It is a warmer one today in the valley. Temperatures, though, still shy of average. 88 degrees in Medford. Our average high is 91. But we got big changes on the way for our Saturday. A storm system off the coast is going to be making its way towards us, and that's going to bring quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity, mainly along and west of the Cascades for tomorrow. We're not going to see as much thunderstorm activity on the east side. Tonight, though, things are going to stay dry and quiet. We just have some fair weather cumulus clouds that have developed through the afternoon, but these will melt away into tonight. Marine clouds and fog, though, will increase along the coast as we head into this evening and through the night. 67 in Brookings right now, 88 in Grants Pass. We're at 87 in Montague, up to 80 in Klamath Falls, and 81 degrees for you folks in Lakeview. Tonight, a little bit milder temperatures, down to 54 in Wairika, 44 degrees in Klamath Falls, and 60 for a low in Medford. Tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, any outdoor plans, maybe some chores around the house or wanting to go for a hike or a run, it does look pretty good in the morning. We should stay dry through about the noon hour, but then early afternoon, showers and storms will start to fire on up, and some of these storms could be on the strong to severe side as well. We'll be tracking that closely. Notice how temperatures cool later in the day as the thunderstorm threat increases. If we can see enough sunshine, we may break 80 in Medford. Now, one or two of those storms in this dark green shade area where we have a marginal risk of severe weather could be severe, with wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour, damaging wind gusts, and hail up to an inch in diameter. But all the storms will be capable of abundant lightning and heavy downpours. The greatest threat is going to be in the afternoon into the early evening hours. Notice in yellow a slight risk for severe weather. That's pretty rare in the Pacific Northwest. That's up to our north. So the morning hours are quiet as we go into the afternoon. Notice by 2 o'clock starting to see some of these showers and storms developing. Notice not much on the east side. The thunderstorms mainly stay along and west of the Cascades, and then things will gradually taper off as we head into Saturday evening and night. Sunday is going to be a quieter day. Maybe some lingering showers near the coast and then up in the Cascades. We could see a morning shower even in the Rogue Valley. A red flag warning along and west of the Cascades, Jackson, Josephine, and much of Siskiyou County because of the thunderstorm threat, the abundant lightning over dry fuels. Storms will also produce some gusty outflow winds. But on the east side, less of a thunderstorm concern when it comes to critical fire weather conditions. We're going to see just very gusty winds and very low humidity. So we also have a red flag warning for the east side, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. for tomorrow. Notice temperatures not as warm as today, especially for the west side because of the thunderstorms. 79 for a high in Medford, 80 in Klamath Falls. Rainfall amounts will vary quite a bit, but locally we'll get some pretty heavy rainfall where we could see rain amounts up over ½ an inch for some spots. And then notice as we go in through the rest of the weekend into the start of next week, things will be much more quiet for the Rogue Valley. Temperatures staying below average. This continues all the way through next week, these comfortable summer temperatures. Your 7-day forecast, showers and storms likely for the coast tomorrow. Some of the rain could be heavy at times. Northern California, storms on the way for your Saturday. Gusty winds expected as well. Drier weather on your Sunday. Not seeing as many storms east of the Cascades, but we will see some pretty gusty winds out of the south, gusts up to 30 to 50 miles per hour. Notice those temperatures staying pretty pleasant into next week. A stormy Saturday up in the Cascades, a slight chance of a shower lingering for your Sunday. And then in the Rogue Valley, some stormy weather as we head into the weekend. And notice next week, those temperatures pretty pleasant. Highs generally staying in the mid 80s through the middle of next week.